Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. We have Hannah here. Oh, sorry.
I just spilled coffee.
I'm about to make my morning matcha and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it because I told you guys I would show you. Well, I forgot, and so now I'm gonna do it. Today's actually kind of an exciting day. I have things to do, which normally I just drown in schoolwork for like 6 hours every day. So the first thing I do is I take a little bit of oat milk or whatever milk you choose to use and I put it in a shakeable cup. Also add my matcha powder and my vanilla syrup into the same shakeable cup. Take the rest of my milk and I froth it in a cold foam frother. This is optional, you can just add the milk in, I just like to froth it. And then you pour out your concentrated matcha mixture, pour that over ice, and then add your excess milk. And yeah, that's my matcha recipe, kind of anticlimactic. We're going to get Rinaldi's now. Is FedEx here?
Did you get something?
Well, I've been waiting on my Bernie stickers for 2 months. Do you guys like my headband? It's from Amazon.
Is it really?
Yeah, I bought them so I would stop touching my hair. Up. We were kicked out of my room for the day because they're doing all the floors upstairs. Yeah, they're working on them today, so we're stuck down here. Here's the work setup. What's new? Nothing, literally nothing. Just schoolwork. Actually, I'm watching The Sopranos for class, so that's kind of fun. Super exciting stuff. We are going to get an antibody test. Well, I'm going to get an antibody test because, long story short, I think I had COVID toe. It went on for a while and I didn't think it was COVID toe until it was too late, so then I couldn't get a test because it wouldn't show up as positive. So got a prescription to get an antibody test. Today's the day. Just got my blood taken and it was fine. I'm a pro with needles now. I used to be terrified of needles, and then with all of my injuries, I just learned how to tolerate them. Now I actually love needles. Well, I love acupuncture. So Catherine is gonna do my hair because I have a shoot with Stella in about an hour and a half. I need to look presentable and my hair right now isn't it. Can't really do my hair on my own. It's more of a last resort situation. Why are you wetting it?
So we can cut it. What do you want? Maybe one little cup?
Yeah. I'm gonna get ready for the photo shoot now. Gonna put on face and makeup. Sorry if it's loud. The floor is being done right outside my room. This is my new room. It's not fully done yet, but here's my bedside table. My mom got me plants. This is my desk with my laundry that I need to put away. I got a bathroom put in, and so basically this is a hidden door. So I was gonna show you guys the bathroom, but Hannah is showering in there. Yeah, sorry, this vlog has been all over the place today. I feel not been organized at all, but it's been extremely loud in my house because of the construction, and we haven't been in my room all day. I'm gonna do my makeup quickly because I have to leave in 30 minutes. Did my makeup, put on this dress, Sorry for the banging. Put on this dress from Princess Polly. We're just gonna vlog later. I can't deal with the sounds. So I'm back from my photo shoot and I failed to really vlog when I was there. I just got distracted with Stella. I have more work to do tonight, but it's like 5 and I don't feel like it, and so I'm not gonna do it. I've just been super stressed, and so yeah. But I'm gonna show you guys my bathroom. This is what she looks like. There's Hannah's credit card. And yeah, the walls are dark gray, not quite black. I'm obsessed with these lights. Have my happy place, of course. And now I have my own shower, which is crazy, in my room. Like, craziness. Super grateful. It looks incredible. I should probably put away these dirty clothes and such. For anybody wondering why Hannah's here, I had to go to California last weekend to move out of my house and put all my stuff in a storage unit for whenever I go back this summer to move into my next house. And so she just decided to come back to Connecticut with me for an indefinite amount of time. So yeah, that makes quarantine and everything definitely more fun, but it's kind of hard. I mean, she's working out right now, but it kind of sucks because we're so busy with school that, yeah, it's just like a lot to stay on top of. And like, we just try and kind of do our own thing, and like, we work separately and she'll go like do her workout and whatever, and just kind of do our own thing for a little bit of the day, just because I need my alone time to like center myself, you know, and everything. But I've just been feeling like off my game because I haven't really been vlogging that much, just because when I was in California and then I came back and I had to catch up on school when I came back, so that just like took up a lot of my time. But I filmed like a Q&A the other day, and then the audio was like horrible, so I was like, well shit, like I can't post this, like it was so bad. Yeah, just kind of feeling all over the place, honestly. I'm so happy that things are kind of starting to feel like summer again, but it's also just like confusing me, like, are we still social distancing? Like, cause it doesn't seem like we are, but then it's like, what are the guidelines now? Like, it's not just like a free-for-all, but it's like, how does this work? Like, I know there's no like guidelines for it, but like everything's opening up back in Connecticut, and I don't know if I'm the only one that like feels weird about the idea of like going to a restaurant. Like, I don't know, like I know it will like feel fine, but I still like am just on edge, you know? Today was the first day I actually had like things to do, as in my antibody test and then my photo shoot, and it honestly felt really weird having like structure in my day. It's just been weird, like I haven't done anything for like so long. Yeah, I just really need school to be over. Like, I just want to chill, and I feel like I can't chill because I go to UC Santa Barbara, if anybody's new. So I have quite a bit more school to do. I have my pastime in 2.5 hours to sign up for classes for fall, so I can't forget to do that. But like, I just need a glass of wine. Like, I'm on Instagram Live. Okay. She's embarrassed and she doesn't want me to be recording her.
I'm in bad form.
Stick your butt back.
I can't.
Hands up at the top. Throw it back.
You tell your vlog how you don't like to share things.
Okay, vlog. I don't like to share things.
Coming out.
Bye. Emily just called me a bitch because
Make sure to put bad in front of it.
make sure you put baddest in front of it. Whack ass. Because I took the last Italian ice. I've been having an Italian ice fetish. Craze, if you would. I just can't stop eating them. Like, this one's watermelon. Like, that's, I don't love artificial watermelon, but like in Italian ice form, like, what are you doing?
I'm taking a quiz.
Hannah's taking a quiz. We just had dinner, and Hannah and I have been binging, well, we just finished the OJ series. Hannah has seen it
Like 3 times.
3 times. Hannah's like a big fan of the case.
You did it.
Well, yeah, everyone knows that. We were, yeah, just talking about that at dinner. Now I'm eating my second Italian ice of the day.
Cheers, Mom.
That's all I have to say at this moment. I think we're gonna watch a show. I think I'm gonna make Hannah do my pastime and sign up for classes because I always get really stressed out because I have to click all the buttons really quickly. And it just stresses me out, so Hannah does it for me.